Hello friends, welcome to my channel Dino Island Park. And as you can see, big shark is eating this big bull, and this giraffe, camel, tiger and farm animals, wild animals and some sea animals stuck in the sandbox. So let's start the video. Our first animal is lion. Male lions grow impressive manes the older they get. These manes grow up to 16 cm long and are a sign of dominance. The older they get, the darker their manes go. And the second animal is elephant. Elephants have around 1,50,000 muscle units in their trunk. Their trunks are perhaps the most sensitive organ found in any mammal. Next animal is zebra. Zebras are black with white stripes. We know this is because even though they have black and white fur, a zebra's skin is black. If you shaved a zebra, it would be almost completely black. You would hardly recognize it. Next animal is seal. Like all marine mammals, seals get all the water they need from their food. Their bodies are very efficient at removing and recycling water from their food. They avoid drinking seawater. If a seal drinks too much seawater, it can become seriously sick. Next animal is cow. Cows don't need much sleep. Per day, they only sleep around 30 minutes in deep sleep. That is divided in 6 to 10 short periods. Nevertheless, they are lying up to 10 hours daily. And the next animal is wolf. Wolves and humans have a complicated relationship. We often vilify the big bad wolf in fiction and real life, but we are also consistently fascinated by these smart social mammals, and we haven't always clashed. Next animal is sheep. Sheep have a great sense of smell and have special scent glands located in front of their eyes and between the digits of their hooves to help them out. Mothers learn to identify their babies by their unique scent. Next desert animal is camel. The blood cells of a camel also have the ability to expand up to 240 degrees of their regular size with water when the camel rehydrates, which is why camels can drink up to 30 gallons in the minutes. This adaptation for the camel is unique because if any other animal did this, their blood cells would burst. Next animal is tiger. Tigers have soft toe pads which help them walk silently through their habitat. A tiger will typically travel 6 to 12 miles during a night's hunting. During the day, a tiger's stripes can act as camouflage, allowing it to blend in with its surroundings for stalking and ambushing its prey. And next animal is goat. Goats are also able to distinguish between the happy and sad calls of other goats. When they hear a sad call, they listen more intently and actually have a psychological response to hearing the sad calls. And the next longest neck animal is giraffe. Their neck alone can be 6 feet long, which is taller than the average man and can weigh up to 600 pounds. A giraffe's legs are also about 6 feet long, allowing them to run quickly. The record running speed of a giraffe is 34.7 miles per hour. Our next animal is Rhinoceros. Our planet is home to 5 species of rhinoceros, the black rhino and the white rhino, which live in Africa, and the Sumatran, Javan and Indian or greater one-horned rhino, which inhabit the tropical forest and swamps of Asia. Our second last animal is shark. Sharks use their gills to filter oxygen from the water. They are a special type of fish known as elasmobranch, which translates into fish made of cartilaginous tissues, the clear gristly stuff that your ears and nose tips are made of. This category also includes rays, sawfish and skates. And the last animal is bull. When a bull is castrated incorrectly or late, he becomes a coarse steer, also identified as a stag in Australia, Canada and New Zealand. In some countries, an uncastrated male is also referred to as a rig or ridgeling.